Nine odds for you, three matches. Let's get started. The first game we have today is in Malta Division where Bausan Youth is taking on Zabazent Patrick, and my prediction is both team to score. Then we have a game in the Argentina Primera B where Argentina the Queen is taking on CSD India. My prediction here is both team to score. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I will sign you up. Remember, it's a paid service, it's not free. Kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends so that Facebook will recommend this video to you and other people next time. Moving on, the last game we have here is a game between KMCFC taking on Kengo FC in the Tanzania Premier League. And then my prediction here is both teams to score. That gives us a total of 9.44 odds. Um, Three matches. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game in your own local booking and play them. I wish you guys good luck and I will see you guys after the game. Remember, if you want to join VIP and win every day as others are winning, chat me up on WhatsApp. We've had back-to-back winning for the past 3 weeks. And then I will see you after the game. Thank you so much.